Hi friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I'd be showing the making of double colored placket, which is very much trending now, ended with decorative triangle in shape. And if you're watching for the first time, please subscribe and tap the bell button for future notifications so that you won't miss to watch the latest videos of fashions and trends. So let's quickly start. This is the simple U-shaped neckline. Extended slit in the center till 8 inches, and would be taking 4 strips, 2 of each color. One is blue and one is pink. Each strip with 2 inches and a length of 10 inches. Now if you see here, I have folded the raw edges of half an inch towards in and pressed it on either sides of the 4 strips. Doing like this, we'll get the perfect shape in equal length. Now I'll be joining the 2 strips, placing right on right, start sewing on the fold. Also join another strip in the same way. This is how it looks after joining. Now I'll join the placket to the bodice. Place the right side of the bodice on the right side of the placket and start sewing with 1 cm seaming allowance. You can see the fold of the placket. Start sewing on that fold till it reaches to the slit end, then double lock it. Now flip the placket to wrong side and fold the raw edge in, give the top stitch. You can see here the folds will act as the reference. You can just sew it on the fold. Place it exactly on the sewn line and start sewing. Firstly, I have joined the placket towards the left side. Once it reaches to the slit end, double lock it. Now flip the leftover placket towards wrong side like this, and overlap the right side bodice on the placket. Now I'll be joining another placket on this right side. This placket should come on the top, so we have to give angle slit here, so that at the end of the placket we can give triangle or the square shape. Now ensure same color placket should face each other and opposite color on the top. Now carefully watch here. The raw edge of the bodice should meet the joint of this placket. Holding the placket like this, you'll get the perfect shape. The raw edge tip of the bodice should meet the joint of the placket. Now to the end of the placket, we'll make the triangle shape like this. Fold it diagonally one side like this and give the fold from another side also. Now you can notice the shape of the triangle. Please watch it carefully. Open the placket like this. Place the raw edge of the tip of the bodice on the joint. Now start stitching, holding the 3 together. Continue sewing till the slit end. Once it reaches to the slit end, double lock it. If you know how to do, just continue it. But after this, what to do, now I'll show you. Ensure the placket is flexibly moving, or else extend that slit a little, not beyond that. Now you can see here I can place it firmly. Now towards the slit end, I would be giving the triangle shape. Select this way the angle slit would look, and ensure that it should not cross the placket length. See, now I can place it perfectly. Now overlap the placket like this, and at the end I would be giving the triangle shape. Fold it diagonally from one side and give another fold from another side. If you want to make square placket, fold straightly and just give the stitch. But for the triangle you need to give 2 diagonal folds on the 2 sides. See, I got the triangle shape like this. Now I'd be stitching on this triangle. See, now the angled slit should be placed into the placket and start sewing. Ensure it's been overlapped properly on the another placket. 1 inch away the slit, we have to give the diagonal fold. Insert the needle in and give the fold. Now stitch till the center of this diagonal. Hold another side raw edge and fold it diagonally again. Ensure to get the perfect shape of the triangle. Overlap the placket on another placket and give the stitch line. Extend that stitch line till the slit end of the bodice. I have ended my slit end here. Double lock it, turn to another side and give the stitch line, and I'm done with this beautifully designed double colored placket. End it with triangle in shape. If you notice here, the same color is facing each other with the clean and neat finishings and the perfect overlapping of the placket. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This video I'm gonna dedicate to Alisha. My dear sweet Alisha, this is for you. I hope this video is useful to you all. Please like and subscribe for more videos of latest fashions and trends. Don't forget to leave your valuable suggestions and recommendations, which really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off, this is Radha, fashion designer. Meet you with another interesting video. Love you all. Bye for now.